Open for business. It's market day at Hilton Head Island Elementary School, and students in the second grade have created products they're selling.
These are called golf ball buddies, and they come in all different color shapes. I mean, they're all like golf balls, but they come in different animals and different colors. I made bracelets because they're fun to make and to tie. We made origami claws, and we made them out of paper, regular white paper. We made maracas because they're really fun, and we're in a Spanish class, so we did them because they're from Mexico, kind of.
The students have been learning about business, so they created items and are selling them in the hallways outside their classrooms to the other students in the school.
They are looking at supply and demand, they're looking at goods and services, and then we're also talking about making a product with an assembly line effect. The kids are also being paid daily with fake money for doing their job in class.
The students also developed marketing campaigns to help sell their products and created these fun, informative commercials.
You can bounce it, you can roll it, you can play golf with it.
It was a process, and I think one of the most interesting things they learned is how we recorded the audio separate from the video and then used the recorded audio behind our video so that we didn't have to worry about volume and things in the video. It's hard for kids to speak up often, so when they did their jingles, we recorded them separately and put those together, and so they got to kind of watch the whole production process and also learn more about how to use the green screen.
All the money raised will be used to adopt a sea turtle nest on Hilton Head Island through the Coastal Discovery Museum. At Hilton Head Island Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.